Let's bead this bubble together, shall we? The beading patterns of this dress are so small and clustered, and the beads are tiny, almost as though it's part of the outfit. Let's go. The bead I was used here is the bead called sand bead. We need two shades of purple. I used purple, so the dark purple and the light purple. But as you can see, the dark purple is really pigmented, so I had to add a little bit more of the light purple just to give it an even distribution, because the dark purple would have taken over the color, and I didn't get the chance to take the actual before of this bubble, but at least this before will suffice. So this is how we're going to start it. So just go there, pick somewhere very close to the edge, and then tie it right there. Next thing to do is to put the needle through this bubble and just bring it out at the edge of where that plain fabric started out. At this point, we're just going to go ahead and pick our beads, and I'm going to be putting the needle to just pick the bead randomly. So whatever bead gets into my needle, that's what I'm going to use. In this case, we're going to be using 3 beads. So whatever 3 beads gets into your needle, just use it. There's no hard and fast rule. There's no point selecting the bead. So I'll just put the needle in through that way and just bring it out right there like this. So that's it. So as you can see, the beads are straight. So I'll go in, pick another 3 beads, and then I'll just put the needle just on top right there, just right there, and then tilt the needle sideways to bring it out at the bottom sideways. It was looking too far, so I'll just shift it closer a little bit. So that's it. I'll go ahead and pick another 3 beads and just put it in that way. I'll just bring it out this way, and that's it. So I'm going to keep doing that until I do that around all the edges of this particular boo-boo. So that's how I actually did it. At this point, we keep sticking the needle through, pick another 3 beads, put it in that way, pick another 3 beads, put it in that way. It's just because of this tutorial that I have to do it on the mannequin standing. Ordinarily, I'll just sit comfortably and hold the dress to myself and fix it, but yeah, this is how we're going to keep fixing it and creating the lines. By the time we're done with all the edges, we'll then go ahead and start filling the middle. So this is what it looks like. This is what this other side looks like as well. So let me show you how I actually filled the middle, because we're in a hurry, so we didn't get a chance to create the tutorial directly on the outfit. Sometimes it's a hassle to do tutorials on the real project. Now we're picking 3 beads as usual, and then we'll just take the needle in right there and bring out the needle behind the other bead. Pick another 3 beads and just stick it down. Put the needle in front of the bead. Make sure it's directly in front of the beads, because if you make it further a little bit, the beads are going to bulge. So get another 3 in right there. Put the needle in front, bring it out in midst of another bead. Just make sure it just goes under another set of beads. Put it down that way, and then you just put it in and bring it out to the other side, and we keep doing that. Put the beads right there. As you can see, it's already giving us that clustered look of no space and all of that, and by the time we're done with this thing, it will look like the beads are an integral part of the fabric. This is black, so it doesn't really look that way that much, but I know you get it. So this right here is what it looks like. Now you might find a hole every now and then. As you can see, there's a hole right there, so I just picked 1 bead, put the needle in right there, and brought it out. So that's about it. And then this right here just finished. So let me just stop here. So by the time we're done, this is what it will look like, and this is the replica of it on the dress, as you can see. So by the time we finished beading the full outfit, this is what the full outfit looked like. As you can see, the beads blended fully into the outfit. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.